it's me again, Shelley from Cromarty. So last week I spoke to you about foam clay, and this week I have something new for you. So this is engraving art. Now, a lot of people have asked, is this craft messy? It absolutely isn't. It's very, very straightforward. You only need what's in the packet. You get a little bit of residue from where you've engraved. You just wipe it off with a wet cloth and that's it. So no, it's not messy. So before I show you how it works, let me show you some of the designs and how they come. So we have silver, we have gold, we have copper, we have hologram, and we have glow in the dark. So there's lots of different variations. We also have mini kits as well. These are the mini ones that come in the same colours. So your big designs are this sort of size, and your minis are this sort of size. And so what happens is you pick your design. So say you picked this one, and you will get this design on the piece of card like so. And then you get a tool like this. And all you do is you use exactly the same as you would with a paintbrush. You use different strokes to follow the outline and scrape back the colour that's on the sheet. So you use different strokes like this, and you just trace really over the pattern to show the colour that is underneath. And then when you finished, you end up with something like this. So this is a hologram design. So this is a hologram that you can see coming through. And depending on what colour you pick, depends on the kind of colours you'll get underneath. They're really, really good. They're good for kids of about 8+ and adults. They're very, very therapeutic. I've done a few and I absolutely love it. We have lots of them in stock, and we have a lot more designs coming in tomorrow as well. So have a look on the website, and hopefully you might find something on there that you like. I hope that's been useful, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.